What's going on, guys? This is a 2007 Hyundai Azera. I just changed the rear shocks on this thing. I had a problem where it was seized onto the bolt, so I'm going to talk a little bit about how I was able to get it off. I had it soaking in penetrating fluid for the longest time, but that didn't work. It was this inner bushing piece that goes in here. It's the metal part that was seized. So what I ended up doing is I used a huge prybar to pry this out. This actually just became separated from the bushing with enough force. And of course the top goes into this strut mount here. That's just held on by two 14mm bolts, and there's a 17mm nut on the top of this, securing this to the mount. So once I had this pried out of the way, I used the torch and I torched up the rubber. That softened it up a little bit, and it made it easier for me to cut the rubber away with the razor blade, exposing the bare metal. Once I had the bare metal exposed, I used a high-speed cutoff wheel, cut a little groove into there, and on that groove I put the air hammer with the chisel on it, and I was able to pop it loose that way. So yeah, once it was loose, I was able to just grab it with some pliers and yank it off.